Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dough.
Hello mga kapera hub. So for today's video, I will share an online chatting job for beginners that you can earn up to $35 or 2,030 pesos a day. So stay tuned at finish the video dahil itatakal natin sa video ito ang tasks and responsibilities, technical requirements, the general process of application, the payment rates and the payment method of course, at ang pros and cons ng company as an honest review with you. This platform accepts beginners in which no experience needed and you can work anytime and anywhere using your smartphone, and the good thing is it is a non-voice job. So let's proceed na. Tinutukoy ko is Directly. Directly is a pioneer in customer service for many of the world's leading brands. Customer service leaders partner with Directly to support customers with cutting-edge AI and on-demand customer service that consumers love. Companies like Airbnb, Microsoft, and Samsung improve their customer experience, boosting CSAT by up to 20% while significantly reducing their product. So let's talk about the founder and the CEO of Directly. Mike De La Cruz is the CEO of former VP of Cyber System and the Arago career of CRM and AI-based solution. Jeff Patterson, the co-founder or Vice President Product, formerly co-founded four venture-backed startups, all acquired two by public companies first to publish music on the web in 1993. Sean Donnelly, the General Manager, former SVP Customer Success of Support.com, CEO of IT Support Company, US Navy Nuclear Submarine Officer. Scott Golubach, the VP Engineering, former Engineering Director at Epicentric and Visionet, previously at the Accenture. And the last, Dave Phillips, the Vice President Legal and Corp Dev, former General Counsel and Sidecar IGN Napster at AOL Europe. And you can see as well the investors indirectly, and you can see it in their site naman. Let's proceed for the tasks and responsibilities. Help customers and respond to chat inquiries, and your main job is to assist customers with their questions, inquiries, and complaints through chat using your smartphone. And the technical requirements is no experience needed, but of course experience is a plus. Expert when it comes to the product or service, fast typing speed, multitasking, smartphone, a stable internet, and lastly, the PayPal account. Ililink ko na lang sa description ng video na to how to create and verify your PayPal account so that you aware na din kung paano ang process for creating your PayPal account and setting it up. So let's proceed na for the general process of the application. First, you need to choose an account, take the test, set up your profile and English assessment test. After that, you will just wait na lang sa email kung you pass or not from Directly. So let's proceed na sa pinakahihintay na lahat, the payment rates and the payment method. So 20 questions are equivalent to $20 or 1,160 pesos, about $1 or 58 pesos per questions. On the average, according to Directly experts, you can get up to $250 to $300 per week, and the payment method is via PayPal and they will send the payment in a weekly basis. And now let's talk about the pros and cons of the Directly with an honest review based on my experience. The pros of Directly is a competitive pay, a non-voice, syempre using smartphone only but available sa PC as well. You can work anytime and anywhere, and you can help other customers while earning money. So let's go now for the cons ng Directly. So you will need to be an expert on the account that you will apply for. It's good for the beginners and no experience, but you should have the knowledge in the product or service. So, not all can apply to the specific account. Pero kung knowledgeable ka naman sa Microsoft or Samsung, then go for it. Apply directly so that you will have an experience and you will earn up to $30 a day or more. And application would take too long based on my experience as well. And I've heard feedback from some application that takes few months to get result. And if you are failed or accepted from the date they applied. And yes, that is true because nag-try din ako mag-apply sa kanila and it takes almost 2 to 3 months before I get the result and I got failed for the application. So, very recommended ko, especially for the beginners, is try to look for another job while waiting for the result. If you are interested to get more new updates about online jobs, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you!
Style. Style is the answer.